Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, Google Pixel 9 Pro XL starts in hands-on video compared to the Pixel 9 and Galaxy S24 Ultra model. According to the latest available data, the new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL hands-on video leak compared to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and revealed many other exciting information. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. After the Unpacked event, the new Galaxy devices hype coming to an end, and the upcoming Google Pixel devices are set to steal the spotlight. Google Pixel 9 lineup. Leaks are pouring in from all directions. In just a few days, we got to see Google Pixel 9 in a video, Pixel 9 Pro Fold name confirmation, Pixel 9 lineup prices, and much more. Guess what? Following the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has now also appeared in two hands-on videos. Yes, not just one video, but two videos. The first hands-on video compares the size and design of the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro XL, while the second video compares the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Galaxy S24 Ultra model. These videos come from a TikTok account, Pixel Unpacking. Starting with the camera bar, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has three rear cameras paired in a single cutout. The camera bar also houses an LED flash and temperature sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, the power and volume keys are on the right side frame, similar to Pixel 9. A SIM tray, Type-C port, and a speaker grill are present at the bottom. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL also features ultra-wideband wireless and base model does not have it. The second video shows Galaxy S24 Ultra looks bigger than Google Pixel 9 Pro XL smartphone. Galaxy S24 Ultra is slightly taller, but its boxy design makes the device even bigger. Here are Google Pixel 9 Pro XL rumored phone specifications. It is speculated that the Pixel 9 Pro XL will be Pixel 9 Pro with a bigger display and a slight improvement in the camera department. Some of the Pixel 9 Pro specs are available, which could in the Pixel 9 Pro XL as well. The device will be powered by a Tensor G4 processor. As per recently leaked hands-on image, the Google Pixel 9 Pro will come with 16GB of RAM and at least 128GB of storage. The phone will come with an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. You can expect these specs on the Pixel 9 Pro XL as well. The new Google smartphones will officially launch soon. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye-bye.